40 times. No haste in that. जो आप एक फूड मुंह में डालेंगे बाइट, if you chew to 30 to 40 times, automatically your weight will go down. Your pain will go down. And pain is not your enemy, pain is your good friend. Understand the pain. Pain आया कहाँ से? Then if you know the driving, then go reverse. You will get the answer. Now many people they come and complain कि मुझे knee pain है. The knee pain doesn't come suddenly. Ask the patient knee pain कहाँ से आया, कब से आया. Suddenly you will get the answer कि मैं 10 साल पहले बस में चढ़ रही थी, कभी मेरे को किसका बैग लगा था, which was neglected. उस टाइम में पेन नहीं हुआ. But your pain, maybe your cartilage ligaments got damaged on that particular day, and that is created a problem today. And if you go for X-ray and all those things, degeneration of tissue and all these report will come. So think about injury. Now any injury, anything which you take your left hand and put on that affected area for few seconds, supported by your right hand. Now this is a remedy to wipe off the impression. Now what is impression? Impression is injury. Injury is fear. So that impression is that. Now fear means becoming weak. Now that part will become weak. So give your mental thought power there and do this. Is it clear? Any question up to this? Any question? When there is no question, then two things. एक तो ऊपर से आता है तो नींद आ रही है. Sunflower or ground, double filter. 1 spoon, teaspoon. Teaspoon. Put in the mouth. This will remove the toxin from the body. 5 minutes. And if you are suffering from any disease, serious varicose veins, any problem like this, then you can do twice in a day. Eczema, twice in a day. Before, empty stomach. Chalo aage. Now next is that we have covered walking and all those things. Now next is another beautiful thing to cover all the disease. Take earthen pot, pani ka matka without tap, cover with mati ka dakkan, take one limbu, wash it nicely, put it, don't cut that limbu, because we have to save money, and drink that water. An important issue that if you can put one transparent white glass bottle filled with water, keep under sun rays, maximum hour, drink that water, apply wherever you have pain, and see how fast your pain gets subsidized. White bottle, transparent white bottle, sun rays. चलो आगे. Now limbu काटना नहीं है क्योंकि हमें पैसा बचाना है. Put matka for 24 next day, remove and use in your kitchen. Don't throw that limbu. ठीक है. Insert the matka. How many of you do that? Boil करके कुछ फायदा. Boil कर filter जो यहाँ पे कोई एक्वागार्ड वाला नहीं है ना. एक्वागार्ड का वाटर पीने वाला भी हॉस्पिटल आईसीयू में जाता है ना. तो क्यों चिंता करना है. बराबर है. Lime will lime has a yellow color, right? This will go in water, so water will absorb the energy of lime, and that water you drink. So this will purify your blood, improve digestion, improve all this region, because this region project yellow color of fire. So your fire drink here. This area represents fire area. There is a lot of fire in this area. Right. So this fire is not in tune up, not particular fire, not proper fire. Then you have a diabetic, your digestion problem, and all this start from here. Liver problem and all this will be taken care. Even constipation also. Any other question? Now about asthma. Who is in asthma? Since how many years? How it started suddenly or any previous history? Anybody in the family? Is it because of what asthma? Bronchitis, cardiac, allergic? Now see, bronchitis, asthma means lungs, right? Now the best solution for you that you should learn how to play flute. बांसुरी बजाना सीख लो, right? Remember Lord Krishna. एक बांसुरी ले लो और बजाना सीख लो. Any now see, अरे कुछ भी करो ना. Or you can take help from our good friend. He can guide you. He is a magician, right? He can help us. See, at the moment I am having 5 to 6 patients suffering from asthma, and we have put them on this technique, and they are quite improved. And then we have given the medicine lung balance. You can, if you want, you can write down the name of the medicine, lung balance. It's a very good medicine. You can take for a longer period. It will improve your lung capacity. Lung balance. You will get it in any homeopathic pharmacy. Lung balance. It's not a company, you can go to any homeopathic pharmacy, it will give you. It will improve your capacity of lungs. It's a medicine, homeopathic medicine. homeopathic medicine which improve your lung, and along with it you could take Sufi, SUFI Sufi. Sufi will improve your digestion power. See, most of the asthma you get because of the digestion is not okay. तो इससे गैस बनता वो भी नहीं बनेगा. Sufi will give you improve your digestion power, will improve your liver, and it will help you to come out from asthma. Now for asthma, the moment you get asthmatic, right, asthmatic, and if you feel that you have lack of oxygen, then immediately you can take oxygen mixed with rescue remedy. It's a medicine available in Juraxan Pharmacy. There is no side effect, very good medicine. One drop on the tongue will help you to come out fast from asthma. Oxygen with rescue remedy. Now rescue remedy, in every class we have requested about the rescue remedy. It is my request to all of you. See, I am not a marketing manager of a company, right? But it is a benefit for all of you. Rescue remedy is the medicine which always you could have in your pocket, in your purse, in your pouch, in your home, in your house, in your kitchen. It is a remedy which will help you in any emergency. One drop on the tongue can save somebody's life. Today morning, I was about to leave, and one of my patients came, starting doing like this. Because he already gone for a bypass, and he came to see me today morning, and he had a terrible chest pain. He was not rest. He was very much restless, and he told me, I'm having a palpitation also. My pulse are going very fast. So simply I opened my clinic, put few drops of rescue remedy in his mouth, take one glass of water, okay, 4 or 5 drops dal diya, and I requested him, you sip this. I finished other work. When I came back to see him, he was reading newspaper and enjoying. So rescue remedy make a good friend, which will never let you down, which help you tremendously. Right? You can apply also, you can take orally also. And it is very expensive medicine. 1 ounce bottle will cost you only 15 to 20 rupees. And will last long for years together. Okay. You can, any homeopathic pharmacy. And if you somebody known to going to UK, you can get it original medicine from UK. Yes, sir? Colitis. Now see, for colitis, you can do number one is about this limbu in earthen pot. That is one. Second thing that you should take in your food more aloe vera. Not the aloe vera which is available in the market. Original aloe vera leaves. Right. And second, bel patra ka murabba kha, bel patta, which is offered to Lord Shiva. And then there are medicine like Om 16, Om 6. These are the good medicine for your colitis and liver problem. Om 19, liver digestion balance, these are the good medicine. Aloe vera you can take. Juice. Jelly. Patta jelly. Aloe vera, you can cut a piece like a Cadbury chocolate, right? उसके ऊपर थोड़ा black pepper डाल दो और जीरा डाल दो, and you can take that. I'm preparing a complete brochure. When it is ready, I'll give it to you. It is the title all on natural remedies or your kitchen remedies. How this remedy will help you. Right. But unfortunately, my work is not progressing fast because one of the persons sitting in this chamber is not helping me much. If that person starts helping me, my work will go very fast. Om by name, I can't tell. He always helps me with smilingly. And I feel it so odd because I trouble him too much. नहीं, खाने में खा लो. आप खाना खाते हो? खाने में अचार खाते हो? पिकल खाते हो? न मत खाओ, एलोवेरा खाओ इंस्टेड ऑफ पिकल. नहीं, जेली पत्ता नहीं खाते का. हाँ. And every day you should take one orange and one pineapple. And if you have any liver problem, then you can take a little pineapple. No, I give my patients, they are comfortable. It depends what treatment you are on, what medicine you are on. चले आगे. Now we'll start with any other question? Any other question? नहीं. So shall we continue? Shall we continue? Ready, sir? Come on, आ जाओ, मैदान में आ जाओ. Good, 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 good. બધું જ સારું છે આપણું મન સારું હોય તો. Right. See, what is not curable is the mind.